In this video, I'll show you how to live stream on your Facebook page using the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu, then tap Pages and select the page where you want to start the live stream. Once the page opens, look for the option to create a post. Tap Create Post, then choose the live video option from the available features. Before going live, you can add a short description to tell viewers what your live stream is about. You can also check your camera and microphone to make sure everything looks and sounds good. When you're ready, tap the Go Live button to start the live stream. While you are live, people who follow your page will receive a notification and can join the stream, watch, react, and leave comments. You can interact with viewers by reading their comments and responding during the live session. When you're finished, tap Finish or End to stop the live stream. The video can also remain on your page so people can watch it later. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.